Let us discuss about plane sailing. The size of Earth is very large and average circumference is about 40,000 kilometer. So, small areas can be considered as flat surface. The limitations of the plane sailing is about 600 mile, that is nautical miles or so. Well, 1 nautical mile is 1.852 kilometer. So we get this much kilometer. Hence, for this much area, we can use plane trigonometry. For larger areas, say distance more than 600 miles, the curvature of Earth is very significant and we need to consider that as well. Say for example, for a small area, we'll see that this can be considered as plane. However, if the area is large, the distance is large and the area is large, so we'll have this curvature. So the curvature of Earth become quite significant for larger areas. Hence, there will be errors if plane trigonometry is used. Let us consider Earth as a sphere and this one is the equator. So these are parallels of latitudes which are parallel to equator. And now we have this parallel sailing formula which says departure by d long is equal to cos latitude. Well, this parallel sailing formula is applicable if we are moving on the same parallel of latitude. Say for example, if we have to move on this latitude, on this parallel of latitude, this formula will be applicable. However, we need to go from A to B. That means the latitudes are different. So for different latitudes, we need to modify this parallel sailing formula. The modified formula is departure by d long is equal to cos mean latitude. So instead of latitude, we have cos mean latitude. Suppose this is latitude A and this is latitude B. The mean latitude is the arithmetic mean. Let me put it here. So mean latitude is the arithmetic mean of two latitudes. Now let us understand mean lat. This is a 40 degree north. So let's say this is equator which is 0 and latitudes are measured 0 to 90 degree up to North Pole, 0 to 90 degree north, and this way 0 to 90 degree south. Well, this is latitude A which is 40 degree. So from here to here it is 40 degree, this arc. And latitude B is 60 degree north. So we can say that from here, from equator to this place, this is 60 degree. So mean latitude will be somewhere in between. So how to find the mean latitude? Well, both the latitudes are in the same sphere. So the mean latitude is the arithmetic mean. So we can write like this: 40 plus 60 divided by 2, or simply 100 divided by 2, which is 50, and the name will be towards north. This is also applicable in case of southern hemisphere. Now suppose latitudes are in different hemispheres. Suppose this is latitude A and this is 40 degree north and it is in northern hemisphere. So this is equator and this is North Pole. Latitudes are measured 0 to 90 degree north or 0 to 90 degrees south. So this is 40 degrees. So we can say that this one is 40 degree north. And latitude B, this is the parallel of latitude. The latitude B is 60 degree south. Well, the mean of this will be somewhere here. And how to find? Well, we need to find the difference, and the difference is 60 minus 40 degree divided by 2. So we get 20 degree divided by 2, or simply 10 degree. Now the naming, which one is higher? So the south is more than the north, so we'll name it south. So we can say the mean latitude of A and B is 10 degrees south. So for different name or different hemisphere, we need to subtract and divide by 2 like this, and retain the name of larger one.